As humans, we create hundreds of millions of tons of waste every year, and a lot of it is this PET plastic. As Chief Creative Officer of 3D Systems and co-founder of EKOCYCLE with Coca-Cola, I've created a solution: the EKOCYCLE Cube 3D printer. This machine prints in post-consumer plastic. That means you could take this water bottle and print bracelets, robots, vases, shoes. That means taking this waste and not wasting it, and turning your ideas into beautiful objects printed in this 3D printer. Welcome to the future.